Yup. Good night, good day to all of my followers and friends, all YouTubers. Good day. It is night now, and we are fitting up the cylinder head for the race car. Previous videos I showed the damage that occurred to the cylinder head, and now we'll be bolting up back this cylinder head from 4-piston with all these goodies, Ferrier valves and stuff. Now, and is broken and in a cast, I won't be able to pin up the head by myself, so I called my protege, Mr. Phantom Porter, who is responsible for a lot of these port jobs that is on a lot of fast cars in Jamaica. You know, he has done quite a few heads, and there's a whole lot of good reviews and results. So a lot of people don't know Phantom Porter, so majority of the time everybody knows him with the hoodie, just porting away. So we are going to give you a reveal of his identity. So good night, Mr. Phantom Porter.
Night, Mr. Cohen.
Yeah, you want to introduce yourself to
Bless up.
the world?
Yeah. Well, popularly known as Gio. The person knows me as Giovanni, or Tin Man. Yeah, man. So he will be assembling this 4-piston head with some Ferrier goodies, yeah, for the but all-wheel drive Lars machine,
So before you start, Mr. Graham, Mr. Phantom Porter,
Yes, sir.
just give us a little background how you got started in the whole porting, how you managed to pick up something like that, and what you really love about it, because I know you have your own flair to the whole thing. So tell me exactly what you really love about the whole thing.
Alright, so I got started in the whole porting thing probably around 2010. I was introduced to the whole art by, Mr. Cohen himself, Lizzie. A lot of the techniques and stuff I learned from him. As the years went by, we added, a few more tricks and tips to it. Experimented. We saw what worked. So we just continue to evolve. But the whole initiation of the Phantom Porter, all credit is due to Mr. Cohen. So it around 2010 thereabout. Yeah, man. So over the years we have done a lot of different cylinder head, various brand of vehicles, B series, K series, Evo cylinder heads, Toyota same way, Nissan, BMW, VW, a whole lot of cylinder heads. Could go on and on and on. But basically that's it. So
And what kind of results you see? You see in terms of horsepower gain in a port job. I
alright.
know it depends on the cams and so forth, but
Correct.
basically, just give me an idea.
Alright. So as I stated, it all depends on the application of the head. So you know, horsepower different varies from setup to setup. So we see horsepower range from like all motor, 10 to 15 horsepower. Turbocharged cars, you know, it varies 30, 40. You know what I mean? So as I said, it all depends on the ingredients of the engine. You know what I mean? But it has the cylinder heads have proven themselves time and time again. So, you know, obviously the formula is working.
Right, so. And just for the record, Phantom Porter has been responsible for K Series all motor, making over 300 horsepower and 90 octane, right? He did the B Series in the last machine when it was B Series, and that car made 872 horsepower. And for the K Series, the first setup, he did that head as well, and it made 900. You understand me? I would have let him sorted out the cylinder head now, you know, but we decided to go 4-piston because of the valve seats and, you know, the machine shop part of it. But he's capable of doing all of those. So when you're doing a porting job, it's a good idea to link up the Phantom Porter and get it sorted out. So he's going to give you a number that you can contact him.
Alright, so I can be contacted at 329-5949. Right? I have a personal Instagram page that is Vaun_OG, VAUN_OG. So I can be contacted via any one of those mediums 7 days a week. Yeah.
Okay. All right, no problem. So we are going to get started now on the cylinder head. All right, so we have to do this setup when we have time. During the days it's kind of hectic. We have our workload, so this is when we get the time at night. So we're just going to get it started out. Now, as you can see, this head is a beauty. You know, it's lovely. The whole casting of the head is completely different. It's, you can take a look at it. It is
Alright.
a complete different setup.
There you have it.
Alright, so we'll be hoping to lay down some numbers with this setup. So we're going to pin it up and get it on the car tomorrow, hopefully. So that's it.
Yeah.
Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start out by putting in the valve seats, right, which is Ferrier valve seats, and from there we're going to put in the valve seals, which is Ferrier as well. Alright, so that's it. Alright, so we're putting in the valve seals. Everybody seems to be excited. Even little pop here is in the bill. Yeah. So getting it sorted out, just install the intake seals and we're putting on the exhaust. Yeah. Alright, so they are all on. Yeah, so we're going to install the valves. Alright, so the first valve is in. Just give them a little oil. Them clear that seal easy. Really? My boss finds something to chew on. Chew on the 4-piston box. Ah, boy. Alright, so. Hey, leave that alone, bro. Leave that alone. Hey. Hey, leave that alone. Alright. I must say it's a wonderful experience to really sit back and just watch the work being done and know that it is being properly sorted out. Alright, so here we have it. Everything is sorted out. The valve springs are in. Valves are seated. We're just gonna give it a little one check just to make sure that everything is seated properly, no leaks, you know, but we should be good to go. Right, lovely. All right, so we are just checking to see if we have any leaks. Yeah, using a little gas, old-fashioned way. Of course, we could have used a vacuum pump, put it on the combustion side and test it, but we're doing it the old-fashioned way. Right? Alright, so Phantom Porter just cleaning up, making a check. So we have gas in all cylinders. Right? And All cylinders are dry. So we know that we're good to go. Cloud seats are perfect. Angle is perfect. Everything is good. Alright, so the next time when you see this head, it will be on the car and will be ready to start. So until then, we'll keep you posted and let you know step by step everything that is taking place. Phantom Porter, thank you for your help.
Yes, sir. Bless up, bless up.
Yeah,
Bless up,
man.
Uncle Zig.
Yeah, man. I'm glad that you are a part of the history that is in the making.
Most definitely, you know.
Yeah, man. Enough respect every time. Every time. Good to go. Have a good night. God bless.